Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree. Been wondering just what you mean to me. Oh, Christmas tree.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Yummy Brown of Yommycrochetlogy. So today's tutorial we will be making this cute Christmas holly leaf. It is composed of 3 leaves and a little poinsettia flower in the middle instead of the typical circle or ball. I prefer the flower because it's more feminine and just simply cute, and then we attach it by stitching it. And we have the little pearl in the middle, okay, just to give it more accent. Okay, and we will be using this in our future projects, so stay tuned. And if you like my content, please hit that subscribe button with the bell on so you will be notified for our next video. And let's get started. So these are the things that we will be needing for this project. A yarn, and this one is a cotton king yarn, 500 gram or 1700 meter, and it is 100% cotton, and the suggested size for the hook is 3mm hook, and this is super fine. Okay, that's the weight of the yarn, and this is from Hobby, and the color is 30 or Christmas red. Okay, this one is, it's also 100% cotton, so, and it is 145 meters, so if I'm not mistaken it is probably 50 gram, in the color of emerald. The hook, I'll be using a 3.50mm hook and scissors, embroidery needles, and another kind of yarn. This one is really thin or lace yarn. We'll use this to attach the pearl to our poinsettia little flower. I didn't use thread because I just don't very thin and fine fabric glue to clean the unnecessary yarn. So we will need some pearls. So make a slip knot and a chain of 12. If you don't know what's a chain, please refer to the description box below or in the card above how to make a chain, and then plus 1 chain. Okay, and on the next 2 stitches you have to make a single crochet. So this is 1 and 2. Right, this is what a single crochet looks like. Again, refer in the description box below or in the card above for the video how to make it a single crochet. And then in the next 2 stitches you have to make a half double crochet. So this is 1 and 2. Again, refer in the description box below or in the card above how to make a half double crochet. And then in the next 2 stitches you have to make a double crochet. So this is 1 and 2. Okay, and then in the next 4 stitches you have to make a treble crochet. Treble crochet, wrap your yarn twice in your hook, insert it into the stitch or chain, pull it through, wrap your yarn, pull it through in the first 2 yarns in your hook, wrap your yarn, pull it in the first 2 yarns in your hook again, like so, and wrap your yarn and pull that all the way to the end, and that is a treble crochet, which is taller than a double crochet. Again, another 3 treble crochet, so this is 2 and 3 and 4. So you have to have 4 treble crochets in this part of the project. Okay, and then in the next stitch make a half double crochet, half double crochet, 1 half double crochet in 1 stitch, and then in the last stitch that's available, single crochet there. So your first half of the leaf is finished. Okay, this is what it looks like, and then we are working in rounds now, as you can see here. Okay, so we're at the other end of the leaf, so chain 1 and then single crochet in the same stitch where you have your last single crochet in the other side. So we're starting the other side now, so single crochet and then half double crochet in that stitch there. So that's half double crochet, and then the next 4 stitches you have to make the 4 triple crochet. So this is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, so pull your yarn, wrap your yarn, pull it through, wrap your yarn and pull it through. So this is what it looks like now. And then again in the next 2 stitches, double crochet. So it's basically the same pattern as what we did in the other side, and this is the second double crochet. And then in the next 2 stitches you have to half double crochet. So this is 1 and 2, and then in the last stitches you have to single crochet. So this is 1 and 2. So the 2 should be at the tip of your leaves. Okay, so we're at the top now, and then we'll be working in rounds again to make the picot design. So chain of 1 and then single crochet in the next stitch. That's count as 1 single crochet, or the first single crochet, and then 2 and 3. And then after 3 you have to chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. And then if you see this 2 yarn here, or 2 lines of yarn, this one here, this 2, that's where you will insert your hook at the base of your chain 3, this 2 here, if you can see it. So you insert your hook there, okay, like so, and wrap your yarn, pull it through and make a slip stitch, and that is a picot. Okay, and then again in the next 3 stitches you have to single crochet. So that's 1 and 2 and 3, and again on the top of your third single crochet you have to make a picot. So 1, 2 and 3, and then insert your hook in the 2 lines at the base of your chain 3, these 2 lines, and then pull it through and make a slip stitch. Okay, and again in the next 3 stitches you have to single crochet, and 2 and 3, and then chain 3, 2 and 3, and then slip stitch at the base of your chain 3 and make a slip stitch. Again 3 single crochet in the next 3 stitches. So 1, and 2 and 3. Okay, and then skip that one there and make a chain of 2, 1 and 2, and then insert your hook in the stitch after you skip. Okay, this one here, and that is count as the first single crochet. So that's 1 and 2 and 3. Again at the top of your third single crochet you have to make a picot, and then we're at the end of this row now. We'll just have to do the last 3 single crochets, and this is the third one, and 3, and then chain of 3, 1, 2 and 3, and then slip stitch at the base of your chain 3. Okay, and then slip stitch again, and the stitch next to your stitches where you have the chain 3, and that's the end of our leaves. This is what it looks like now. It's really cute. You have to make 3 of that to complete the set of a holly Christmas holly leaves. Okay, you can snip off your yarn now to start the other 2 leaves. Okay, you have to have 3 to complete the set. And now we'll proceed to the little poinsettia in the middle of the leaves. So make a magic ring however you're comfortable in making a magic ring. This is how I make a magic ring. I will do it slowly so you can follow. And a chain of 1, and then in the circle or inside the magic ring you have to single crochet 7 times. So that's 1, 2, 3 and 7. And then in the chain 1 you have to slip stitch there to close your magic ring. Okay, so slip stitch there, wrap your yarn and pull it through, and the tail of your magic ring, there's a tail here, you have to pull that to tighten your magic ring or close the hole in the middle of your magic ring. So this time you have to single crochet in the stitch next to your where you slip stitch, and then chain of 4, 2, 3 and 4, and again in the base of your chain 4 there's a 2 lines there, that one there, okay, that 2 there, make a slip stitch again. So this is what it looks like. Again, we're making another picot here. So once you're done, single crochet in the stitch after that and make a chain of 4. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and in the base of your 4 chain make a slip stitch using the 2 lines or 2 yarns and pull it through. Continue around the circle until you have completed the little flower. Okay, so this is our last picot for this flower, and chain of 4, 2, 3 and 4, and slip stitch at the bottom of your 4 chain or the base of your 4 chain, and slip stitch at the end of your flower to close it. Okay, and then you can snip off the yarn. So we have completed the 3 leaves to complete the set and glue them together how you like them together. So this is how I want it. And get your pearl and a needle with a little yarn and start stitching or attaching your pearl to your little poinsettia flower in the middle. So this is what it looks like now, and it's so cute. And we will use this as an applique for the bigger project, so stay tuned. So thank you so much for staying with me. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button and a bell on so you will be notified for our next video. I hope you guys enjoy your holiday, and let me know where do you want to use this project. Thank you so much, and goodbye.